Good evening. In this session, we are going to discuss regarding Nipun Bharat Mission. I repeat, Nipun Bharat Mission. What exactly is the meaning of this? What is this NIPUN stands for? It stands for National Initiative. National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding. National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. That is the meaning of the Nipun. But if you look at the whole system in India, most of the times we have some complaint, rather a great complaint with a large number of students, that it is very difficult for people to read with understanding. But where is the problem here? The problem is from the primary level itself. That is the reason why, if you can address this problem at the primary education level, then obviously this is going to solve a huge problem for the people in future. That is the reason why, so when it comes to the acumen level of a large number of people, so that is not up to the mark. And the basic problem lies at the primary level. That is the reason why, in the new education policy of 2020, one of the objectives of the government is the Nipun Bharat Mission. So that what will happen, by the end of third standard, a child has to develop these qualities. But is it possible within 1 year or 2 years? Definitely not. That is the reason why, as far as the Nipun Bharat Mission is concerned, the targeted year is 2025. I repeat, the target year is 2025, but now the government has revised the dates. It has been extended to 2026 and 27. This is because already, these 2 years have been lost with the corona pandemic. That is the reason why achieving this target by 2025 is not possible. That's the reason why it has been pushed to 2026 and 2027. Please remember this. In the examination, they will ask you, what is Nipun? What is the objective of the Nipun Bharat Mission? And what is the targeted year? Very important one. It is not 2025 anymore. It is 2026 and 27. Kindly remember this. Now I would like to show you the points related to this. Kindly have a look at this now. Look at this, Nipun Bharat. The central government's new mission to ensure that every class 3 child, meaning third class child, has foundational literacy and numeracy within 5 years, will be rolled out on July 5th, 2021. Meaning, so this is rolled out on July 5th, 2021, and starting from here, the targeted year will be 2026 and 2027. What is the basic idea? Every class 3 child has the foundational literacy and numeracy. Clear? And that is rolled out on July 5th, 2021. Look at this. Although the national education policy included 2025 deadline to achieve the goal, the center has pushed back the targeted date to 2026 and 27, given that COVID-19 has already disrupted 2 academic years. We all have experienced this. That is the reason why from 2025 it has been extended to 2027. Please remember this. Is that okay? And what is that you are going to ensure? You have to ensure that every class 3 child has foundational literacy and numeracy. And we are going to achieve this by 2026 and 2027. And when it has been rolled out, it was rolled out on July 5th, 2021. Clear? Look at this. The school education department says that no additional fund is being allocated for Nipun Bharat. Just now I told you, Nipun Bharat stands for National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. Clear? Instead, money is being allocated from the flagship Samagra Shiksha scheme, which actually saw a drop of 20% in its budget this year. What is the Samagra Shiksha scheme? I am going to tell you. So within a very short period of time, let's go ahead and discuss some other points now. Look at this. Look at this now. The vision of Nipun Bharat mission is to create an enabling environment. Why? To ensure universal acquisition of foundational literacy and numeracy. This foundational literacy should be there, numeracy should be there, so that based on that one, a child can develop, so that every child achieves the desired learning competencies in reading as well as writing and also numeracy by the end of grade 3, and we have decided to achieve this by the end of 2027 academic year. Is that okay? Adding that, a 5-tier implementation mechanism will be set up. One is at the national level, state level, district level, block level, and also school level. This is called 5-tier implementation mechanism, meaning more are the tiers, more is the possibility of supervising with respect to implementation. And this Nipun Bharat is likely to emphasize goal setting and accountability for the state governments. Unless there is an accountability, the targets will not be achieved and the objectives cannot be achieved. And provide guidelines for teacher training, assessment, and the creation of the printed resources. Lots of work will be there. It has to be achieved, and this is the need of the hour for India. And as far as Nipun Bharat is concerned, it will be funded through Samagra Shiksha itself. What is this Samagra Shiksha? Samagra Shiksha is an umbrella scheme, and this year it has been revised. According to that revision, a provision has been kept for FLN, meaning Foundational Literacy and Numeracy, right? And for the year 2022, the budget estimate for Samagra Shiksha was 31,050 crores. And if you can see very clearly, this is a drop of 20% from the previous year's estimate. It was the estimation of 38,750 crores last year. Now for the year 2021, it has been reduced to 31,050 crores. Clear, very, very important one. And of course, is all because of the poor utilization due to COVID-19 disruptions. So kindly remember these points. What is Nipun Bharat? And when this new educational policy has come into the picture, what is the year? And what is the meaning of this? What is the full form of Nipun? All these points are important for the examination. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next class.